Hello and welcome to my Bitcoin prediction video. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the reasons why I believe Bitcoin is going to have an explosive year in 2014. I've been tracking Bitcoin for the past few months and there is definitely something going on here and I want to share that with you today. So let's take a look at some of the most recent headlines Bitcoin has made. Bitcoin has created a worldwide digital economy that every country is involved with. That has been expanding every single day. Now the miners have only mined half the Bitcoins. People are not going to walk away from their investment and 8 million more Bitcoins. As it becomes easier to use Bitcoin, more and more people will use it. The more people that use it, the more value the Bitcoin network will have. Now it's become quite apparent that the United States is going to allow Bitcoin, they just need to figure out how to manage it. Now other countries have also adopted it while others have tried to ban it. Now banning Bitcoin in some places but not others is going to cause problems in the market and that's going to drive the price up. So it's only a matter of time until either it's allowed everywhere or banned everywhere, but the common trend is that it's becoming accepted in more locations as time goes on, not the other way around. Since there is still motivation for the miners to keep mining, they will continue to mine and maintain the network. This year, 2014, an ETF may be created that will allow Bitcoin to be traded on the New York Stock Exchange. If this happens, I'm predicting an enormous rise in the price of Bitcoin. We will see the price go up and down, but I'm predicting that at some point this year, we will see prices over $1,000 per coin. That's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin in 2014. I'd love to hear what you think is going to happen, so make sure to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of this video.
Hey guys, welcome back. So you've seen it here. That video was from 2014. It was made here this day. The Mt. Gox collapse happened a little bit earlier. I lived through this part of the market. I said this before, I'm gonna repeat it for new subscribers. The first time I bought Bitcoin was in this dip here at $600 back in 2013, at the end of 2013. It took me 2 years to wait just to break even. Of course, I have always been bullish on Bitcoin for the long term, but for the short term, if I would have known then, for sure I wouldn't have been holding all this time. I would have waited and I would have bought lower. The Mt. Gox collapse didn't really matter for the news. We had the exact same news we have today, the ETF being passed, Wall Street money coming into the market, US regulations, everything was the same. We had the China ban as well. So everything is repeating. If back here I had the experience that I had today, I would have waited to buy when it was more safe. I mean, you don't need to be buying every dip. You don't know where the bottom is going to be. We might be very, very close. I'm hoping for that as well, but you just don't know. I was talking about this on my video for Ethereum yesterday. You can watch that video on the website. It doesn't really matter if you miss the bottom a little bit, even if you miss 20, 30, 50% from the bottom, doesn't matter so long as you enter when it's safe. It's like, for example, how good good would have been for me to buy Bitcoin to miss this part here, but you know, buy it, or even here, buy it somewhere here, it would have been a lot better, you know, than buying here and waiting 1.5 years. How nice would have been to just, you know, stay away from these parts and buy only when it was safe to buy, even if you miss from the bottom to here. I would have missed 60%, but I wouldn't have to be, you know, worrying about it, having my money locked. It's just so much safer. So, I mean, if you don't mind waiting, I also have my long-term positions that I never touch. So, you know, I know what hodling is, and I know how it feels. It doesn't really matter the market sentiment. I remember in 2014, the news, like everybody was calling for Bitcoin to break the all-time highs by the end of the year, I remember. And I see that, you know, all over the social media this year, Bitcoin to break the all-time highs by the end of 2018. Exactly the same words people were saying in 2014. So yeah, just a heads up there, guys. And before I forget, I want to welcome everybody here to the free Telegram channel. We are 861 subscribers, guys. This is amazing. Thank you, everyone, and welcome to the channel here. If you want to be notified of exclusive videos that don't go on YouTube, just subscribe here, and you will receive the link for the new videos on your phone. And I think that's all for the quick video today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.